I've been seeing where a lot of the Dollar Trees are now $1.75. Like water bottle stickers. You can eat on here or do your work. Summer blooms. I saw somebody come out with a huge book haul. Grows plants twice as big. Did y'all know that Dollar Tree sold t-shirts? Hey everybody, welcome back to Shopping with G. We are here at Dollar Tree checking out what's new. Spring is here and they're beginning to put out more spring and summer items. 3 bulbs, your planters, rolling plant trays, stackable 3-tier planters. I'm so excited for spring. Thanks for being here today. Lots of new things at Dollar Tree. It's been a while. I said, let me get out and see what is new. Garden scents. Little pieces, $1.25 each. Pruners. Garden tool hanger sets. Hang up your rakes and your other long-handled tools. A garden spade. Have bulbs. Summer blooms. Hanging wire baskets. Everything for your yard and garden. Look at these mini pots here. If you're going to start some seedlings, you get a 12-pack. These are plastic for $1.25. This 4-pack. Thermometer. Yard signs. Garden gloves. Spray hoses. Those can get pretty pricey at Lowe's. Let me know if you've tried those. Nice pretty spring colors and flowers. $1.25 a stem. Gnomes. Home is where the heart is. Oh, you can actually hang it or put it in your garden. Welcome spring garden flags. Welcome, be kind, be nice, be sweet, be humble. This has some weight on it. Pretty nice. Fairy decor mushroom. The last one for $1.25. Garden frog. Little knee pads for gardening. Garden hooks. Hummingbird feeders. And the food. Metal flagpole stakes. Plant hangers. And more seeds. Let's see what else we can find. I'm here in the $3 and $5 aisle. Down power wash, $5. This is the larger, older blaster. This is a really good deal on the hammer for $5. And then the Lysol Clean, you get a 2-pack for $5 as well. Brooms and mops. Some car items, accessories. Little Tree brand, it's $3. Fit wraps. Armor All for $5. Zeb. Steering wheel tray. 2 ways to use. You can eat on here or do your work. That's $5. License plate accessories. They have a nice selection for the car. If you need to wash your car, get it clean, get it organized, get it smelling good. This $3 and $5 aisle has some options. $5 for non-slip 15-piece velvet and coat hangers. over the door hook hangers. 'Tis the season for organizing, $5 for these totes. 3 for these storage cubes. Doormats for $5. This is our happy place. Oh, this one's pretty. $5. Family and friends welcome mat. This is $5. Vanity organizer. It's $3. That 13 pieces, so 12 metal roller hooks with the shower curtain for $5. More Easter items here. 3-tiered serving trays. Here's the large rolling planter base with wheels in gold and black for $5. More garden items. Glass tabletop torch. $3. Bird feeder, bird bath for $5. Strawberry picking basket for $5. Birdhouse. This is $5. Metal birdhouse. Potting mix. $3 to $5. Grows plants twice as big, feeds up to 6 months. I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw somebody come out with a huge book haul with $1.25 books they found at Dollar Tree. I'm like, we don't have those type of books at my Dollar Tree. This is a mess. I'm glad it's fully stocked. It is a mess. But I wonder if we can find something to read. Sky full of stars. You see any red or that you might want to read? Oh, okay, what would Harry do? But check your Dollar Tree. They have various books at different locations and you might just find something you're interested in. Picture frames. Display easels. If you're going to host a paint and sip, this is the place to come. You get 2 of the display easels for $125. You can host and buy the little painting canvases and host your own party. Hosted by Dollar Tree. Desk decor, $125. The gold plated trim for your tape dispenser. See, you can always find the dispensers, but it's so hard to find just the single roll of tape without the dispenser. Let me know, where do you all find your tape rolls without the attached dispenser? Bulletin cork frames. Hang up in your kids' room or locker. Cork. It doesn't come with the push pins though. Water bottle stickers. Have you all seen these? Cute. I've been seeing where a lot of the Dollar Trees are now $1.75. Like they didn't even go to $1.50. They just jumped to $1.75. So far, I'm only seeing $1.25. So I guess we better take advantage while it's still at $1.25. I don't know though. I might, they might price me up out of here. If and when they go to $1.75, who will then have cheaper prices? We'll see. Little socks, AC/DC, Dots, Eggo waffles, onions, M&M's, Flamin' Huts, Monopoly, You all remember Mr. Bubble? Well, they have Mr. Bubble here, the original scent powder bubble bath for $1.25. Those bring back such sweet memories. Hydrating gel cream, body raves. I'm trying to look for new items. I've not seen this before. Bath fizzers, jasmine and green tea. This is a body scrub by Global Beauty. Bolero Kids Bath Buddies hand wash. Strawberry body scrub and peaches and cream. Peptide anti-aging serum. A red wine facial sheet mask. A thighs sheet mask. 24 karat gold facial sheet mask. I could literally be in Dollar Tree all day long. Bubble Blast Oxygen Bubble facial mask with coconuts. Night cream. Hair oil, multi-purpose. This is new. Be pure, smooth and glossy finish. Tag face and body wipes for butter lotion, Dermasil. Did y'all know that Dollar Tree sold t-shirts? Cotton Essential 3-packs for $5. Everlasting starter brand. I see the largest size is the extra large, and it goes from small to extra large. Multi-purpose lens solution. This is new to me. $3.50. Lidocaine, $1.25. 4% pain relief patch. Urinary tract infection test strips. The nail art. They have the nail art jewels for $1.25. Jelly bronzer eye gel. The mini powder puffs are so cute. Silicone lip scrubbers. All right, that is going to do it for today's walkthrough here at Dollar Tree. Thanks for being here. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll greatly appreciate it. Till next time, be blessed and be safe.